Dylan's got them cleaned up for Cars and Coffee this morning. The 86 is ready. The 76 is ready. But the 85 is not quite ready yet. I mean, I don't know what he was thinking, but he's got them lined up as if they were set for sale. And you know, everything's always for sale. Let me know in the comments which one should I keep, the 86 GMC or the 85 dually. Dylan says keep the dually, but then, you know, I kind of like the 86, the two-tone, which, I mean, this one could be made two-tone, could be made any color. I do want to sell the GTO or trade it for something. It has been a really good car. Drove it for like 11,000 miles. But anyway, enough of that. We headed to Cars and Coffee. Y'all come along with.
I broke the stroller, but I could. Oh, I know that dude. With air management on the air shot. Yeah, I know that guy. I met him all back.
Yeah, you too.
Did you look at my truck?
I'm good. Oh yeah, I see that. I wish mine looked I don't know if you can't play it up
He made it. Terry made it.
Needed a bath, man.
Yeah, that's unique, man.
I couldn't get up. I bet that thing right there will be a handful.
You know,
Yeah,
all
it's here.
5.5 V10.
Pretty good crowd. Regardless of what you think about imports, pipe work, that's artwork. I like to see stuff like that because that means somebody knows how to TIG. It's a very pretty engine back.
Yeah.
Another new Corvette.
We got one in
Mustangs. It's pretty. This one right here is very, very clean. Always. Every time we see it here, or every time you see it, period, it is very clean. Very well done. It would have had a vinyl top from the factory, but they took and painted the top. Left the vinyl off, but still put the chrome and stuff back, which that would have been chrome. If I were going to do one, I would want that chrome left, and then that chrome would tie into this and tie into that. But for what they went with the black bumpers, it really, really is nice. I don't know how fast it runs, or even if he even races it, because it sure is clean.
If only it was T-top, that's the only thing that's making it extreme, but it is.
Definitely something different on a cool morning. I'm guessing it probably has heat and everything, don't it? I don't know. It's 5-speed. It's pretty. Check out old Blueberry up there. Old Blueberry made it out to Cars and Coffee this morning. They're carrying it on down the road, ain't he?